Hey, I just had a bolt break while I was, sorry, I'm chewing sunflower seeds. So I was putting the exhaust manifolds on the new heads, and I'm reusing the old bolts just because on this side I didn't have any issues. On the passenger side I had a couple break, and so I'm putting the bolts back in. And I mean, why replace the bolts if they're still good? They're not broken or anything. They're not rusted away, everything. So I get all of them on. I tighten the second to last bolt, and it breaks. And as you can see here, it breaks off pretty flush. So rather than drilling the bolt first thing you want to try doing, and I already got a little bit, but get on the edge of the bolt and tap on it, because that bolt most likely did not break because it bottomed out or rusted and seized. It's because the bolt started to tighten down, and the rest of the bolt, it was probably already fractured before. So hopefully I can get this out without even drilling, because we all know drilling bolts out absolutely sucks. Probably grab some pliers, but the point finally pops out. Didn't have to drill it. Get a new bolt, which I have some new bolts, and roll on. Now I can at least keep going without spending hours drilling.